Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price, and today I have come with another video which is a water purifier. Actually, I was getting messages from you guys that you are asking for a video of a water purifier which will around 5000. So after looking many products, I got three products which are from local brands, but it has very good quality. And these three models have RO, UV and UF technology. And so before giving its review, I myself purchased this model from Amazon and using it since last 3 months, and it's performing very well. It's not for a known brand from India, but it's a small brand of India. Like local brands are using these type of water purifier, and they actually manufacture it in a large scale. But what sellers do, they actually buy the parts of these things, and they get assembled, and after that they sold it. The quality is very good, and it's come in very budget. In your, it will adjust your in pocket also. If we talk about its design, so you can see on the video, it's looking so pretty, and it will also compact size. So it is not going to take a large amount of area of your kitchen. There are so many models available on the online, but I have picked the 3 4 models which is best from the these days. So I have myself also using it since last 3 months, so I can assure you that this water purifier is giving such pure water as many good known brands are giving. Once you will try these models, I'm sure you are going to love these models. These models will be around 5000 rupees, and you can easily buy from it Amazon, and I will be providing the links in the description box so that you can easily buy these products. Company is providing 1 year complete warranty on these products, so you not need to worry for a year. I will provide another two models also in the description box, so do that you can also go there and check the two another models from there. And if you guys have any questions related to these models, so you can also comment me on the comment box. So as soon as I see the message, I will try to give you answer as soon as possible. And we have also created so many videos on buy best price related to home appliances, so you can go the playlist and check. There are a lot of reviews and product knowledge, and you will get their videos like refrigerator, air conditioners and many more. And if you would like to know more about water purifiers, so you can also go to our website, which is buybestprice.in. You will see there lots of posts related to water purifier, and many other home appliances posts are there. We have posted their top 10 water purifier in India. You can go and check this article. You will find what are the top 10 water purifier in India also. So if you feel value in this video, you can like this video, and please subscribe the channel if you want more videos related to this. So when I upload the new video, you will get the notification. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, so you can also like our Facebook page. And I will come with another video next week. So till then, bye.